All right, hello everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, much appreciated. Going to be doing a quick tutorial video today on how to claim your NFT rewards in your Klever K5 wallet app. So, log into your app at the bottom left-hand corner. You're going to see browser with a little globe on top. You're going to click on that. It'll bring you to this page here, Klever browser. So in the type of web address, you're going to put www.klevernft.com. That'll bring you to the Klever NFT website. So in my case, I have it under favorites. So I'm going to click favorites, klevernft.com. As you can see, it brought me right to the website. So at the very top of the page, you're going to see a circle with a blue plus sign in it. That means your wallet's connected. So on the right of that, you're going to see several horizontal lines. You're going to click on that. About halfway down, you're going to see Connected Wallet. And at the very bottom, you're going to see Rewards. You're going to click on Rewards. So before I go any further, guys, thanks for watching again. Much appreciated. If you could hit that subscribe and like button, it'd be much appreciated. If you like this kind of content, hit that notification bell. And you'll get notified of my videos as soon as they come out. So if you like crypto content, news, tutorials, and project reviews, make sure you subscribe. It'd be much appreciated. All right, so let's continue. So let's collect rewards from Cool Punks. Down where it says total to claim, you're going to see the amount you're claiming. In my case, I already claimed it, so it says 0. But if you haven't claimed, there'll be an amount there. So select all if you want to claim your rewards from all your NFTs. If you don't select that. Just select the individual NFT. And the claim button here on the right will light up. You're going to click on that. In my case, it's not lighting up, again, because I already collected the reward. So click on the claim. You'll get your rewards. There'll be a transaction success, and it'll be sent to your wallet. So if you want to see that transaction hash, just click on your claims where it says that underneath rewards. And you'll see the transaction hash. You click on that, and you'll see that the transaction was a success. So guys, thanks for watching. Again, if you haven't already done so and you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. It'd be much appreciated. Trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. If so, I'd like to do a really big giveaway, but I got to hit that milestone and with your help. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot.